So the Unihertz Tank 2 versus the Unihertz Tank. The specs and features of both devices are great, but what are the differences and similarities? In this video, we're going to point them out. So the Tank 2 features a laser projector. The device is also equipped with 2 camping lights at the back. The Unihertz Tank has a single camping light at the back and doesn't support a laser projector. Currently, the weight of the Tank 2 and its thickness are unknown, but the device is expected to be very thick and very heavy. The weight of the Unihertz Tank is 560 grams and it is 23.9 millimeter thick. Both devices have a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus TFT display, and also both devices are powered by the Helio G99 processor. Moving on to memory, the Unihertz Tank 2 utilizes 12GB RAM and it supports virtual RAM expansion, while the Unihertz Tank has 8GB RAM. While the RAM of both devices are different, the internal storage of both devices are the same, a 256GB internal storage. I currently do not know the Android version of the Tank 2, but I believe it's going to be the Android 13. I'm only speculating. The Android version of the Unihertz Tank is the Android 12. Now, in the camera department, both devices features a triple rear camera setup that is slightly different. So while both devices have the same main camera, which is 108MP, the night vision camera of both devices are different. The Tank 2 features a 64MP night vision camera, while the Unihertz Tank has a 20MP night vision camera. The third camera is a 2MP macro lens. The punch hole of both devices houses a 32MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The battery capacity of both devices are very huge, monstrous guys. The Unihertz Tank has a much more bigger battery. Its battery is 22,000 mAh, while the battery of the Tank 2 is 15,500 mAh. But the charger that ships with both devices are the same, which is a 66 watts fast charger. So other features of both devices are basically the same. Both devices are equipped with a side fingerprint sensor that doubles as a power button. They support NFC. They are both rated IP68 and IP69K. They are both military standard 810H certified, and so on. The design of both devices are also very similar as well. So these are some of the differences and similarities between the Unihertz Tank 2 and the Unihertz Tank. If you'd like to share anything about these two rugged phones, then feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out. Perfect.